everyone. So I'm gonna try this coin again to another machine. It's a bottle drop. Let's see if this would work. Obviously this does not work either. If you're gonna pull the string very hard enough, it's just gonna break loose. So let's see what happened inside. As you can see, the coin is again trapped here, and it just goes to the coin return slot. That means it does not accept the coin. If I pull it very hard, it's just gonna break, and it's just gonna damage the coin mechanism. You see where the coin is? So it got stuck. So please by all means do not try this technique, because it obviously won't work. Thank you all for watching.